Good day everyone. We are Group 3. So today, we are presenting our IP social enterprise entitled Katutubong Kape and Crafts from Indigenous Hands to Modern Markets. Our business proposal focuses on helping indigenous communities in Region 6 while preserving their culture and tradition. So, indigenous communities. Our business focuses on two indigenous communities in Region 6, which is the Sulud and Ati community. These communities are known for their traditional lifestyle, farming practices, weaving, handicrafts, and its strong cultural identity. Even with modernization, they continue to preserve their traditional and indigenous knowledge passed down from generation to generation. So, about the Ati community, the Ati people are recognized as one of the earliest indigenous groups in the Philippines. They are known for their handmade crafts, herbal knowledge, bamboo products, and simple way of living. Despite facing challenges in modernization, the Ati community continues to preserve their tradition and culture. So, about the Sulud community. The Sulud community, also known as Tumandok in some areas, are known for basket making, weaving, farming, and preserving market ancient Visayan tradition. Their indigenous craftsmanship and cultural practices remain important parts of their identity until today.
Business concept. Our business is called Katutubong Kape and Craft. It is a social enterprise that combines indigenous craftsmanship and locally sourced product into a modern and marketable products. For today's customers, the business directly partner with the Sulud and Ati communities to create innovative handmade products while preserving their culture and tradition. Goals of the enterprise. The goals of our business are to create sustainable livelihood, preserve indigenous culture, promote local craftsmanship, and provide fair income opportunities and educate people about indigenous community. We want our business to become both profitable and socially responsible. Product and service. Our business offers innovative products inspired by Sulud and antique craftsmanship. This includes souvenir bags and bed accessories, bamboo tumblers, herbal tea, and blends. Handmade wallets, eco-friendly souvenirs, and indigenous inspired lifestyle product. Modernize indigenous products. We modernize traditions indigenous products to make them more useful and attractive for modern customers. Example include woven tote bags and with a modern design, bamboo tumblers, handmade wallets and keychain, and phone holders, and handmade accessories.
Sample product: woven tote bag with modern design, bamboo tumblers, handmade wallets and pouches, keychains with indigenous pattern, native inspired phone casing, bracelet and necklace.
Food and beverage products. Our business also offers indigenous inspired food and beverage products such as native coffee products, herbal and tea blends, and organic craft snacks, and local delicacies inspired by indigenous ingredients.
Sample product: native coffee, herbal tea blends, organic roots craft snacks, local delicacies inspired by indigenous ingredients.
Good day everyone, I am Desel El Dante. So for our additional services, aside from products, the business can also offer cultural exhibit booths, indigenous craft workshops, live weaving demonstrations, and tourist souvenir packages. There's activities help promotes awareness about indigenous culture. So for our business innovation, the innovation of our business comes from transforming traditional indigenous products into modern and functional products without removing their cultural identity. Traditional weaving and beadwork are redesigned into products that consumers can use in everyday life. So when it comes to innovative futures, our business introduces modern packaging, eco-friendly materials, aesthetic product designs, digital storytelling, customized souvenir products, and online marketing. This helps indigenous products become more competitive in modern markets. And for our target market includes students, tourists, online shoppers, environmentally conscious consumers, supporters of local products, and people interested in handmade cultural products. And for our marketing strategy, our business uses both online and offline marketing strategies to reach a wider audience and promote awareness about indigenous cultural and craftsmanships.
Online marketing. For online marketing, we will use Facebook promotion, TikTok product videos, Instagram product photography, online selling platform, and short videos featuring indigenous assistants. Offline marketing. For offline marketing, we will join tourism fair, school exhibits, local festival, souvenir boats, and trade fair in Region 6. Customary laws and cultural respect. The Sulud and Ati communities highly value respect for elders, preservation of tradition, cooperation, and protect of the ancestral knowledge. Our business respect these customary laws by involving community leaders and asking permission before using culture designs. Role of elder and leaders. The elders and leaders of the communities will help approve product designs, guide proper cultural presentation, preserve authenticity, and educate younger generation. Fair profit sharing. Our business practices fair profit sharing to ensure mutual benefit. The income from the business will be divided fairly among indigenous assistants, business operation, and community development programs.
Community support programs. Part of the profits may support educational assistance, livelihood programs, cultural preservation workshop, community project, and support for indigenous youth artisan. Avoiding cultural appropriation. Our business avoid exploitation by treating the communities as equal partners, asking consent before using cultural elements, respecting traditional and beliefs, and properly crediting indigenous artisans. Long-term benefits. Our business can provide long-term benefits such as sustainable income opportunity, preservation of indigenous culture, stronger participation of younger generation, and expanded market opportunity for indigenous product. Pakikipagkapwa-tao. Our business practice pakikipagkapwa-tao through empty respect, fairness, shared decision-making, and cooperation with the indigenous community. We treat them not only as workers but as true business partners.
In conclusion, Katutubong Kape and Craft is more than just a business. It is a social enterprise that promotes innovation, cultural preservation, sustainable livelihood, and respectful partnership with the Sulud and Ati communities. Our business proves that entrepreneurs can become successful while still respecting indigenous identity, traditions, and values. And that's end for our presentation. Thank you for your listening and attentions. Daghan kayong salamat.